She done messed around and sent me the wrong size. Welcome to my first YouTube video ever. So today I'm going to do a review on the Jsculpt waist trainer belt. Some of you may know who Jsculpt is. Jsculpt is very popular. I came upon them. I followed them on Instagram. I will always see a lot of advertisements about their waist trainers. I ordered from them because I watched like a lot of review videos on them. I was kind of skeptical first, like some of the videos I was watching, and then it's like I have to be a reviewer of my own when it comes to certain products. Everything is also going to be in the description below, just so that you can have a easier way to just go ahead and click on the link and get to that. So I ordered my Jsculpt belt on October 4th. Today is October 11th. I did get my belt today in the mail, like around 12. I can say with shipping, they are very fast on shipping. When I ordered my belt, I ordered a large. Came home, the package is like in a regular, you know, white baggie, and then it came in like a plastic bag. When I pulled out the plastic bag, I saw that it said 2X. I ordered a large and I got a 2X. So I was complaining to Ed. I'm like, pulled it out. I saw that it was a 2X. I was just like, well, let me just try it on just to see, you know, if I do need to send it back and ask for an extra large instead of a large. The belt was $59.99. I used the code fall 2019. So I had got $11.99 off of my purchase. The subtotal came to like $48. Then the shipping was $9.50. Georgia state tax was $2.30. Cobb County tax is $1.15. In a total, I spent around $60.95. It says that I saved $11.99. So technically, I would have paid like $72 for this product, and I got me a little discount code. This is the belt, Jsculpt. You know how like most waist trainers, they be rubbery. This is not rubbery. This is very like, it's rubber, but it's not like that shiny rubber, or like, if you buy waist trainers, then you know what I'm talking about. I'm pulling on it and it's very like snug. So you'll take these two off, and then there's a zipper. So there's a zipper. You open it, it's like the cloth, and then you can see the bone structure in here. For these bones, I would say they are very flexible. Very, 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 very flexible. I have another waist trainer. When I work out, and the bones in that one, they kind of like give me back aches. I have another belt. This is a Premadonna waist trainer. I had got this belt when the Premadonna waist trainers first started, you know, going to sell. She was advertising like Kim Kardashian in it. Like, she had a lot of people wearing her waist trainers. This is like my old waist trainer. As you can see, this is the rubber that I was talking about. It's very rubbery, like a duck. Rubbery, rubbery, rubbery. In this waist trainer, the bones are like very stiff. When I work out, it kind of like bruised me, and it kind of like hurt. Overall, the waist trainer is like, a Premadonna waist trainer is good. I have a very, 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 very short torso. Most waist trainers fit kind of funny on me, and when I was reviewing the Jsculpt, they were saying like it's for short torsos, long torsos, whatever type of torso you got, they accommodate that torso. I want to do a side by side. Here's the Jsculpt, and here's the Premadonna. So you can tell the two different type of rubbers that I was referring to. You can just see the different rubbers. The Premadonna does not have a zipper, so that's just a regular clip technique. So, you know, it click like that, and it's very, you know, tight. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put on the Jsculpt so you all can see how it fits my torso. I have the belt on. It's very snug. Then bringing them around is very like comfortable. You can see the back. It's very comfortable. I feel like you can do a lot in this belt. You can cook in this belt, you can clean in this belt, and most importantly, you can work out in this belt. I have not worked out in it yet. I am going to test it. And what I was saying about, and you see like this does not roll up at all. Like when I put on the Premadonna one, the ends will like flip up. Like, my hips are so wide. That's one reason why I ordered this belt, because I was seeing a lot of reviews where it was like, no matter what you're doing, it won't flip up. So I have it on and it's not flipping up from anything I'm doing. And my hips are very wide, so I recommend this for girls with wide hips. So the Jsculpt, this belt, I got this for $60. I want to say it was like $100, the Premadonna, when I first got this. I feel like I'm just gonna get all my money's worth with this one. Like, I feel like this is a lifetime tool. Okay, because I ain't wasting time. Ooh. I would definitely wear this like undergarments, like even under my little outfit. It'll be real comfortable. I sit down. I don't feel like, you know, some torsos, I feel like it'll help my posture, but some torsos are like a very stiff and they sit you up. This one is very, very comfortable. I would recommend it. I would give it 5 stars, even though she sent me a size I didn't ask for. But Jsculpt, I love the logo design. I love that it's a zip up and you can strap it. I give this a thumbs up. I would actually recommend it to other people. Like if someone was looking for a whole new waist trainer, I would recommend this. This is lit. The reason I ordered a waist trainer was because I used to work out. I was like on a workout journey and then I stopped and then I picked my weight right back up. Now it's time for me to get back in the gym and do what I need to do. This gives me motivation because it's so perfect. Like it doesn't flip above my hip. I would recommend this to any size, any woman's size. So I'm just making a video to like help people, guide them into getting like the right waist trainer for them, doing a real review. Because if you know me, I speak my mind. Follow me on Snapchat at Shesmonroe. Follow me on Twitter at Shesmonroe, 2 E's at the end. Follow me on Instagram, Shesmonroe. That's SHESMONROE. Everything is going to be down in the description below. I hope you all like this video. Comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I told y'all I'm going to be dropping videos like the review videos. I'm going to do girl talk video. I'm going to do a lot of stuff as if I'm just talking to my sisters out there, my sis. What's up, sis?